Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reconcile credit cards in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, what we need to do first, we need to start the reconciliation. So we launch QuickBooks Enterprise, come here, click on Banking, and you click here on Reconcile. Now, you need to choose the account, right? Your credit card account in the drop down. So we have different right here. Let's say you can even do a company checking account. Let's do this one. MasterCard payable. Set the dates. Okay, the start date and date for the statement, right? And you can go ahead and click here on continue. You can locate any discrepancies if they're available. You can go and enter an ending balance for the account that is being reconciled. Okay, can do that as well. Can also click here to locate any discrepancies. Okay, and it will see if there are any discrepancies. You can go ahead and check the discrepancy report. You can change the account if there isn't, right? So restart reconciliation there, and let's see if there's any discrepancies here. But once you find the discrepancies, right, you will see the reconciliation window, all the charges, all the payments recorded in QuickBooks, and then you match with your statement. Okay, so this one, the beginning balance is this much. So this is the reconciliation report, just as an example. There's none here, but if a transaction basically appears in QuickBooks, but it's not on the statement, you can go ahead and leave it unchecked. It will carry over to the next reconciliation period. If there's a payment to the credit card from your bank account, make sure the payment check or transfer is entered correctly in QuickBooks as well. Okay? Confirms any differences at the bottom of the reconciliation window. You'll see the difference. And if there's once the difference is 0, you click on reconcile now. Okay, that's all you have to do. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.